Let's move on to the next question. The maximum value of the function fx equals this one on the set S satisfying this inequality is, we have to find the value. So, let us begin with this question. First we find the derivative of this function, which gives us 9x square minus 36x plus 27, or we can write it as 9 times x square minus 4x plus 3, or simply x minus 1 into x minus 3. If we say this is equal to 0, we obtain x equals 1 and 3 as the points of maxima and minima, right. Now, when x is less than 1, I can see this expression is positive. When x is between 1 and 3, I can see this is negative. So, derivative is changing sign from positive to negative, that is a point of maxima. So, actually I can say the curve is something moving in this fashion, right, and then it goes like this, correct. Now, here I can say this is the point 1 and this is the point 3. Now, further it is given that S is satisfying this inequality. When you talk about this inequality, let us factorize. We have x square minus 11x plus 30 less than 0, or x minus 5 x minus 6 less than 0, correct. Now, here we can see whether equality is included. Yes, equality is also there. So, we have to talk about the interval 5 to 6 only. When you are talking about the interval 5 to 6, that means you are saying somewhere here, and in this case say here. Now, x is lying in the interval 5 to 6, clearly we can see the maximum value will be obtained at 6 only, because after 3 it is increasing. So, just find the value of the function at 6, that is the maximum value. Put the value in the given function and you obtain the value as 122. So, the correct option is option number 1. Let us mark it as the answer. Let us move on to the next question, that is question number 26. Fkx is given this one. We have to talk about f4x minus f6x, some simplification on trigonometry. Let us begin with it. We can write f4x is equal to 1 by 4 of sin 4x plus cos 4x, sin 4x plus cos 4x. This is equal to 1 by 4 of 1 minus sin square 2x divided by 2, right. Similarly, I can find f of 6x, 1 by 6 of sin 6x plus cos 6x. This one on simplification can be written as 1 by 6 of 1 minus, here I am going for sin square x plus cos square x whole cube minus 3 sin square x cos square x into 1. That means minus 3 by 4 sin square 2x. When you go with the requirement which says subtraction of the 2, so subtract it, f4x minus f6x is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. As you can see, the term 1 by 8 sin square 2x and the term 1 by 8 sin square 2x is cancelled. So, we are left with the result 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. That gives you, on taking LCM, simply 1 by 12. Let us see from the given options. Correct answer is option number 2. I am sure this simple question of trigonometry is quite clear to you. Let us move on to the next one, that is question number 27. The sum of real values of x for which the middle term in the binomial expansion is equal to 5670. A simple question from binomial. Let us start it. Middle term, that is 8c4 x cube by 3 whole 4 3 by x whole 4 is equal to 5670. Just simplify, this gives you 8765 divided by 4321 into x to the power 8 is equal to 5670. This is clear. Now, I can see this 8 is cancelled, correct. I can see this 3 cancelling as 2, right. I can see this 10 is also cancelling this 0. Now I can divide with 7 to get x8 is equal to 81, or x is equal to simply plus minus root 3. This point is clear how we are getting it. Now the question says sum of real values of x plus minus root 3, the sum is simply 0. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. I am sure this is also clear. Let us move on to the next question, that is question number 28.